guys! In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 recipes that I have been making every single week, especially since the beginning of the year when I had my baby, because I have really not had that much time to be fancy and experimental in the kitchen. I need meals that are fast and easy and delicious and healthy. So I'm going to show you these 3 recipes plus a few bonus ones. So keep watching and I hope you guys like all of these recipes. First is the West African peanut stew. Start by sauteing minced garlic and ginger, and diced onion, bell pepper, and jalapeno pepper. In the meantime, cut the jackfruit wedges in half. Add ground cumin and coriander seeds while the veggies are cooking. Once they've softened, add white potatoes, sweet potatoes, diced tomatoes, kidney beans, and the jackfruit, plus 6 cups of water or vegetable broth. Bring it to a simmer and then add vegetable bouillon. Continue cooking with the lid ajar until the potatoes are tender. Add 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, about half a cup of sunflower seed butter, and salt. I'm allergic to peanuts, so I use sunflower seed butter as a substitution. You could use peanut butter or almond butter too. Stir well. Bring back to a simmer before adding your greens. I usually use collards, but we have a ton of kale, so I'm using that instead. Cook until the greens are tender but still bright green. Serve over rice with cilantro and lime. I like to make a big pot of lentils in the Instant Pot once a week. I can add these to other meals throughout the week. They're nutritious, they're super filling, and they're lentils, which happen to be one of my favorite foods. I use a blend of fennel, oregano, basil, and a bay leaf, plus salt, of course, to make these lentils super tasty. Simply add the rinsed lentils, water, spices, and veggie bouillon to the Instant Pot and pressure cook for 6 minutes. Full recipe is down below. One way I love to eat these lentils is in my favorite lentil taco recipe. I made a really fun video for these tacos with my friend JJ Dancer a few years ago. Simply saute garlic, tomatoes, and the lentils together with some cumin and chili powder. Again, I'm adding kale because we have a ton, but any green will do for this. When I want to be fancy, I make a mango guacamole, but most days I make a simpler version with just avocado, red onion, lime, and cilantro. When I'm really in a hurry, I just use mashed avocado. These are so filling, it's so fast to make, and everything is better with avocado on top. Every day I try to eat a nice big salad. Chop up lettuce, maybe some herbs like basil, and make a simple vinaigrette. Here I'm using garlic, lemon juice, maple syrup, mustard, olive oil, and black pepper, and shaking it up in a jar. Right now I'm enjoying adding roasted beets and potatoes to my salad. Of course, the lentils are perfect to add too. Toss with the dressing and add some pumpkin seeds on top. Okay, here's a bonus dish. This tempeh tikka masala has been my favorite for a long time. I made it in a recent video. I'll link to it so you can check it out. And as far as my breakfast goes, I eat steel-cut oats made in the Instant Pot almost every day. In my recent What I Eat video, I shared my recipe in the description. I'll link to that too. So now you guys know what recipes we've been eating in our house every week. Let me know what recipes you guys make every week. And all the recipes are down below in the description box. Also, make sure you check out the other videos for the tikka masala. I love that dish so much. I make it at least once a week. The other things were once a week. This one is at least once a week. It is that good. And we were even eating it for lunch as we filmed this video. So check out that video as well. Like I said, all the links are down below. And I'll see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you enjoyed all my recipes. See you. Bye.